The Very Hungry Caterpillar. One sunny morning, a tiny caterpillar hatched from an egg. He was very, very hungry. On Monday, he ate one red apple. On Tuesday, he ate 2 juicy pears. On Wednesday, he ate 3 purple plums. On Thursday, he ate 4 sweet strawberries. On Friday, he ate 5 oranges. On Saturday, he munched on lots of treats. Oh no, his tummy hurt. On Sunday, he ate 1 green leaf. He felt much better. The caterpillar built a small cocoon. He stayed inside for many days. Then he pushed his way out and became a beautiful butterfly.